He was the voice of our childhood. Then, suddenly, he was gone. Jefferson Cyril Utanes, known as Goku ng Pinas, was a Filipino voice actor whose voice shaped generations. Born on June 9, 1979, in Antipolo, Rizal, he studied broadcast communication at PUP and began dubbing in 1997. He became iconic as the Tagalog voice of Son Goku.
Pasensya na, nakakita lang ako ng pagkakataon kaya sinamantala ko na.
And also gave life to Doraemon.
Kailangan mo mag-set ng schedule. Kung ano ang gagawin mo sa ganung oras hanggang sa matapos ito at kung ano ang gagawin mo pagkatapos. Isulat mo ang gagawin mo sa card na to.
Kogoro Mori.
Tinakpan mo ang bibig niya gamit ang table napkin at tinali mo ang kamay niya gamit ang cord na ginunting mo.
Hisoka.
Nasasabik na talaga akong durugin ka.
Jackie Chan.
Carter! Carter! Umalis ka sa stage.
And many other characters loved by Filipino audiences. His voice was heard in anime, cartoons, foreign dramas, TV promos, and he also worked as a dubbing director.
Showtime would like to thank the following: Fanny Serrano Cosmetics, Dexys Catering Services.
Did you know? His early voice work began during his college years, including projects such as Tico and Friends. Sir Jeff passed away on December 16th, 2025, at the age of 46, following health complications, as shared by his family. And sometimes you can't help but think, what if the Dragon Balls were real? Maybe we could gather them, call Shenron, and wish our hero back.
O mga bata, kaya huwag kayong mawawala hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita. Paalam! Kame! Hame! Weh!